Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to show you a perfect representation of my crypto journey up until this point. Roll the footage.
This is awesome!
Anyone else feel the same way? Welcome back, guys. This is Cosmo, and this is Will We Make It? We're just going to get right to the point. It is a fire sale, ladies and gentlemen. It is Black Friday in May. The sales are on. Crypto prices, stock prices are dropping. It is the perfect time to get in at a low position, dollar cost average in. We're going to go over some the stocks and some cryptos, so stay tuned. Before we get into any of that, please make sure you like, comment, share this video, subscribe. Help me get this video out so we can help educate more people in starting their journey in cryptocurrency and the stock market. I know that some of it might be intimidating and you may not see many gains, especially during this inflation. But if you are looking for the long term, and that is basically what this is about, long-term investment, you know, a little bit can go a long way. So subscribe to my channel and follow along, and let's get to the rest of the video. Okay, starting off, we'll start with the stock market right now. It is a good day. The stocks are up. It looks like 4.53%. S&P's up. NASDAQ, everything is up across the board, and the VIX is going down. So this is so far this is a great start to the week. Basically, I'm predicting, everybody's talking about stagflation. Basically what that is pretty much going flat. We might have some big ups, excuse me. We might have some big ups and some big downward trends, but overall, by the end of the week, we probably won't move that much at all. So basically, you kind of need to, just stick with your dollar cost averaging. Try not to look at the market. Try not to be affected by the emotions, the FUD that's going online. Stick to your strategy. Dollar cost average in your favorite projects, whatever, you feel good about. Energy is good right now. The retail plays, Target, Walmart, the discounted plays are good. Remember, Amazon and Google are doing their split. I'm predicting them to do very well right towards the split and shortly after. That might be a short-term position you might want to consider. Certain others, Netflix and Roku, those have been down dramatically. Let's just see if we can pull it up here. Yeah, here we are. Netflix, it is going down over the past, let's see. Let's go to the 5-day. It's actually gone up pretty well since the 5-day, but last week it was down dramatically. I think there's a lot of potential here. I mean, you look year to date, it's down 68% year to date. So, and I'm going to ask you, can you see yourself without Netflix? I mean, I don't personally own Netflix, but I do know a lot of people that do own Netflix. They are looking to get into commercials on a basic lower plan. I think this is going to be a substantial amount of revenue going forward for them. They're talking about unleashing a live service. So they're going to be live streaming events such as, comedy shows, award shows, basically anything they can get their hands on. So I think that going forward, it may not be in the immediate future, but down the road, this is a good opportunity for this stock. Also, I'm looking at Roku. You can see over the past, month, it's down 15%. Year to date, it's down 60%. I think Roku is still good stock. I do believe that they will be around for a while going forward, and it's at a great price right now. I mean, it is considerably cheap. A couple other ones, Nvidia is down. Here we have Nvidia. There we just pulled it up. It's down 41% for the year. And this right here is, a lot of this has to do with the chip getting supply chain issues and stuff. This is a stock for a basic long-term investment. I do believe Nvidia is going to be there That and AMD, these two companies are going to do very well in the future with the metaverse coming out, everything going to, the metaverse, technology oriented. NVIDIA signed a contract to do their architecture for driverless cars. So, the potential for growth is huge here. So, dollar cost averaging starting in now is a great position. Put in $5 a week, $5 every 2 weeks. Simple price of a Monster Energy drink right there. Get two for $5 at your local Wawa. So skip a couple days and save them $5 and put it in towards one of these stocks. As far as crypto goes, when you're looking at crypto, I would basically just, look at some of the main projects. Ethereum, in my personal opinion, will always be around. That is something with Web 2.0. If that comes out successfully, Ethereum will be really big right now. Bitcoin is, of course, the number one crypto in the entire space. Certain other cryptos that have strong foundations, and you can check their websites, check their white pages, check their information, see what they're doing. Have they posted anything recently? Have they continued to upgrade their website, their information, their white page, different things like that. I know there's a lot of people that are hesitant in getting into crypto with the Terra Luna drop that nobody saw coming. But, you live and learn with certain cryptos like that. But going forward, as long as you stick to well-established cryptocurrencies that have a strong backing, strong community, I think you will do just fine. Now looking at crypto, here we have over the past 7 days, obviously we all know about Terra Luna, did not see that coming, and I don't think anybody did. Binance lost a huge amount of money, somewhere from, billions to now thousands of dollars. So that is a big chunk that they have lost. I don't believe this particular coin will ever come back. And to even bother investing in it is you're taking your risk. So going over some of the coins, everything's pretty much down. It looks like there's getting a small recovery this week, which is nice. Again, this is basically my prediction, as I'm not a financial advisor. I have no skill whatsoever in the market or in cryptocurrency. This is just the trend that I am seeing. This is what I'm doing. Do not follow me. Do not, do what I do. But like and subscribe all the same and see if we can make it. See if I make it. Going forward, cryptocurrency, I think, is going to continue to basically follow the market. Stagflation, basically, you're going to get your highs, you're going to get your lows, but I do not see any breakout potential in the near future. Now, this could be, weeks, months down the road, and it's going to take the market to basically get a hold of itself and really start to make some substantial gains before we see any crypto breakout. Now, don't get me wrong, we will see some projects that do 20-30%, 1 week, and then have a little pullback. There's always coins that are coming out. ApeCoin, for instance, is always, that's a recent addition, and it's doing very well. It's had some big pullbacks. It's had some big gains. So you kind of, pick and choose. You got to pick and choose your battles, so to speak. So again, I'm looking at Decentraland and Sandbox. They have been down dramatically over the past, 6 months. You can see here, the last 3 months, they have been down dramatically. This is just, I still believe in this. I still believe in this coin. I still believe that the metaverse is the future. There will be other projects with the metaverse going forward. So, you just kind of do your research and see which ones you think will break out. That's all really I got for this week. I'm keeping it kind of short and simple. The stagflation is here. I do not see any major gains. You're going to see some fluctuations, going throughout the week. You'll see some ups and some downs. But overall, if you take week to week, you will not see very much movement. Now, that's just my opinion. That is my prediction. until we see some substantial gains, some basic, some consolidations, and we see some substantial growth, multiple days, weeks of substantial growth, I think the crypto market as well as the stock market will continue to make little to no gains. But that does not mean that you can't make money. Continue to dollar cost average in, and you will come out very well at the end of this race. That's all I've got. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.